welcome to another edition of Tips for Dummies. Today I will be installing a smoke alarm. This is a very simple smoke alarm, but I'm pretty sure they all work in the same principle and basics as far as the installation goes. You need to make sure the codes on your city reach the requirements for the smoke alarms. Here in Texas, I believe it's you gotta have one on each room. So they told me to install one on each room. So you can install these or either in the roof ceiling or on the wall. To me, it's more practical to be in the wall, and as long as it's within 3 feet from the wall, it's okay. And if you're installing on the ceiling, as long as it's within 3 feet from the wall. So, all right. So I don't know if I make sense or not. These things, most of them, as you can see, they locked by turning it to either clockwise or counterclockwise. And if you can see right on the side, it has a line, and that means that it's open. So if you turn this open, all right, that's unlocked. All right, and that's the same way you're gonna be installing it when you install it. Okay. All right, so let's do it. All right, so looking at closely, I don't know if the camera is going to be able to detect it, but it says up for wall mounting. So that's what we're going to be doing. So that's got to be up, right? And we're going to be within 3 feet on the wall. Then again, we're going to press. You can use a pencil. I don't have a pencil, but I'm going to use this as a mark. I'm going to press hard, so that way I can make two little indentations in the walls, and that way I know that's where I'm going to be putting the sleeves. Got it? So we're going to make the holes a little bit. I'll make it like that, and I'm going to put the sleeves on. You don't have a hammer with you, because you don't have a hammer,
watch it, cuh.
like I didn't. All right, so the next thing is to put the cover hole, just to make it easy for you. Put there. Don't screw it all the way yet. Put the other one in place. Now you can screw it. Now here, it usually comes with a battery, but it's backwards. You have to do is pull it like that. Make sure which one is positive, negative. It gives you the drawings there. You gotta do it like this. All right. Now you see the slot. I hope the camera can catch it. All you have to do is match it with this slot and turn it, and it's locked and ready to go. You gotta press this to test. And it's working. So that's how you install a smoke detector.
There you go.